Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to do keyword research for SEO. But first let me explain what is keyword research and why it is important. So what is keyword research? So before you start SEO, you have to find right keywords for your website. You want your audience to find you on Google. So in this way, you can get more leads and more sales. If you are ranking for wrong keywords, you won't get any leads and sales, and the whole process of SEO will be useless. So that's why you need to focus on right keywords for your website. So there are many tools to do so. For example, SEMrush, Ahrefs, SE Ranking. But in this video, I will be using SE Ranking for keyword research. So let me show you how to do it. Right now, I'm on SE Ranking, and first I will show you how to do keyword research using this tool. So there are two methods. So first method is that you put your topic, your niche. For example, if you are a dentist or you are running a dental clinic and you want your customers to find you, so your niche is dentist. So put it over here. It will also show you some relevant searches. So and select your country. So for example, if your business is based in Australia, so select Australia over here and click analyze, and then it will show you the relevant searches. So for example, it has a huge keyword volume and it is showing you more relevant keywords. So these keywords are too broad. So for example, your business is based in Sydney, so just add Sydney over here, and then it will show you the more relevant to your niche. So for example, Sydney dentist is the keyword which has the highest search volume. So this is your keyword. This is the keyword where you want to rank, and then this is the keyword Sydney dentist hospital. So these are the keywords. So make sure that these has high search volume, and then you need to rank for these keywords. You can also click over here to get more detailed results, and you can also check the keyword difficulty. So for example, keyword difficulty means that it is difficult to rank or it is easy to rank. So anything above 30 or 40 means it is difficult to rank. So under 30 means you can rank easily. So 1 means that it is extremely easy to rank. 23 is like average. So it is showing that this keyword is again, it will take like 6 months to 1 year to go to rank on page 1. So it is fine, it is average. So it is saying that medium, and it is also showing you the websites that are ranking for this keyword. So other method is to put website or click on the website of your competitor, and it will show you on which keywords your competitor is ranking. So for example, it is showing that that your competitor is ranking on these keywords, and you can also rank on these keywords. So it is so you can either put competitor website on over here and see on which keywords he is ranking, and you can put your topic or niche on keyword research, and it will show you the keywords which has the highest search volume, because you want more people to find your website. So make sure you are targeting the keywords which has higher search volume and have like average keyword difficulty, so that it takes less time to rank. And CPC is for when you're running Google AdWords, then you can see how much is it cost per click, and this is pretty much it. And you can also use tools like Ubersuggest and Ahref. I love Ahref, but it is expensive. So I mean, if you are a beginner, go for Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest also has a free version. For example, go to overview and put your keyword dentist and select your city from here, and it will show you some results. And it is also pretty much like SE ranking, and I can also show you on Ahref that you can search for your keyword over here. So it is pretty much same on all these tools, that you can put either a link of your competitor, or you can start from putting the topic or a niche in which your business you are in, and it will show you some relevant keywords and make sure that search volume is higher. And it is, for example, one more thing that I want to add, that dentist is not relevant to your niche. I mean, anyone can be searching for this keyword. Dent, I mean, if you're based on some city, so make sure you are adding that city to your keyword, like Sydney dentist, so that is more relevant and you will get more leads instead of going for just for dentist. I mean, that won't give you leads. I mean, that person can be searching for some other locations as well. So this was pretty much it, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.